Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food smoker guns that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a home chef, a mixologist, or just someone who loves adding that smoky flavor to your food and drinks, this is the video for you. All the product links will be in the description below, so let's dive right in. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ghetto Hand Cocktail Smoker Kit. This kit is perfect for whiskey lovers who want to add a unique, smoky aroma to their drinks. It comes as a 10-piece starter set with everything you need, including a smoking stand, flexible hose, disc lid, 4 flavors of wood chips, and even a cleaning brush. The wood chips are 100% natural and chemical-free, making it a healthier choice for adding flavor. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in your hand, with a one-button activation system that makes it super easy to use. You can also adjust the intensity of the smoke with the plus and minus buttons, giving you control over the flavor profile. It's lightweight and portable, making it a great choice for home use or outdoor activities like picnics and barbecues. However, the build quality is slightly less robust compared to some of the higher-ranked models, as it uses glass as the outer material, which may not be as durable over time. On the downside, some users have mentioned that the amount of smoke it produces isn't as intense as they'd like, and the longevity of the device could be improved. That said, it's a fantastic entry-level smoker for those new to smoking cocktails and foods. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly and versatile option, the Ghetto Hand Cocktail Smoker Kit is a solid choice. At number 4, we have the Borowitz Smoking Gun Cocktail Smoker. This compact and lightweight smoker is a great choice for those who value portability. It weighs less than a pound, making it one of the lightest options on our list. The larger wood chip container ensures you won't have to refill it as frequently. And the unit is powered by just 2 AA batteries, making it convenient for both indoor and outdoor use. The Borowitz smoker gun is designed for simplicity. With just one button, you can control the smoke output, making it very beginner-friendly. It's perfect for adding a smoky flavor to cocktails, meats, cheese, and even veggies. The cold smoke it produces ensures that the texture and temperature of your food or drinks remain unaffected. However, the smaller size does mean that it might not be as powerful as some of the premium options, and the build quality, while decent, isn't as sturdy as higher-end models. On the positive side, this is a budget-friendly option that still delivers good results. It's particularly well-suited for those who are new to food smoking, or those who need a portable solution for outdoor events. The Borowitz Smoking Gun is a great gift for anyone who loves experimenting with flavors without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Nez Active Cocktail and Food Smoker 2-in-1 Kit. This product is a great all-rounder, offering excellent versatility and value. The smoker is constructed from food-grade aluminum alloy and silicone, which ensures it stays cool to the touch during use. It also features a stainless steel mesh in the chamber to hold the wood chips, making it easy to clean after each use. Performance-wise, the Nez Active Smoker is quick and efficient, taking just 30 seconds to a minute to infuse your food or drinks with a rich, smoky flavor. It works well with a variety of wood chips, teas, herbs, and spices, giving you plenty of options to experiment with. The 10-inch hose extender is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to direct smoke into bags, bowls, or glasses with precision. The kit also includes a cleaning brush, screwdriver, and extra mesh, ensuring you have everything you need right out of the box. One minor drawback is that the smoker is slightly heavier than others in its category, which might make it less portable for some users. However, the overall build quality and performance more than make up for this. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile smoker that works well for both beginners and seasoned chefs, the Nez Active Cocktail and Food Smoker Kit is a fantastic choice. At number 2, we have the Breville BSM 600 SIL Smoking Gun Food Smoker. Known for its sleek design and excellent performance, this smoker is a favorite among home chefs and mixologists. It features an integrated stand, dual air speeds, and a detachable stainless steel burn chamber, making it one of the most user-friendly options on the market. The 17.5-inch silicone extender hose allows for precise smoke placement. The Breville smoking gun is quieter and lighter than traditional smoking tools, making it ideal for indoor use. It's battery-powered, so you can use it anywhere without needing an outlet. The included wood chips in apple and hickory flavors are a nice touch, giving you everything you need to get started. The compact design ensures easy storage, and the burn chamber is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. The only downside is that it's not the most budget-friendly option, but its build quality and performance justify the price. If you're looking for a high-quality smoker that's easy to use and delivers consistent results, the Breville BSM 600 SIL is an excellent investment. Finally, at number 1, we have the Polyscience Breville Gun Pro Smoke Infuser. This is the gold standard in food smokers, designed for both professional chefs and home enthusiasts. It's incredibly versatile, capable of cold smoking everything from meats and cheeses to desserts and cocktails. The 18-8 stainless steel burn chamber is larger than the previous model, allowing for more smoking material and longer smoke cycles. The Gun Pro offers precise control over airflow and smoke intensity with its easy turn dial. It's battery-powered, so you can use it anywhere, and the 17.5-inch silicone nozzle extender provides pinpoint accuracy for smoking. The build quality is top-notch, with stainless steel construction ensuring durability. The detachable parts are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup effortless. It also comes with a sample pack of wood chips and replacement screens. So you're ready to go right out of the box. The only real con is the price, which sits at the higher end of the spectrum. But for what you get, it's worth every penny. If you're serious about smoking and want the best of the best, the Polyscience Breville Gun Pro is the ultimate choice. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay smoky.